Welcome to Faheem AI, where we're developing an intuitive VR gym experience focused on the standing shoulder press exercise. Our objective is to provide easy and effective virtual reality gym training empowered by generative AI and LLMs. We're committed to ensuring user safety by identifying and correcting potential workout-related injury risks, particularly those associated with the standing shoulder press exercise. Our LLM provides informative and educational feedback to the user, enhancing the overall experience. VR Personal Trainer brings the gym experience to the comfort of your own space, making fitness accessible to a wider audience. It provides 3D feedback on form and technique, allowing users to correct errors and optimize their workouts. Faheem AI integrates with Slimy VR, a software that implements motion tracking in VR. This allows accurate tracking of linear acceleration in 3D space, enabling users to move naturally within virtual environments. In the future, we're looking to expand our offerings to include mixed reality, more workouts, PCB-printed sensors with smaller housing and digital twin technology,